I once stood under the vast, starry sky, mesmerized by the dancing lights of the aurora. I was curious about how these magical displays occurred. After some research, I learned that auroras are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. To truly appreciate them, I started tracking solar activity using apps. This habit allowed me to predict the best times to witness the auroras. The experience was breathtaking, and I felt a deeper connection to nature. Remember, understanding the science behind beauty can enhance your appreciation. Try it and see the world anew.